Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Amazon rainforest. And recently, we have seen the pictures all over social media that the Amazon rainforest was on fire. And the minister was saying that they're purposely setting the fire to make him look bad and all of that. But people have been reporting that the Amazon have been getting deforestation. They've been cutting into the forest and all sorts of foolishness. But we as a people, it's up to us to actually save it because it has very big, huge impact on our well-being, on how we breathe the air that we breathe, okay? And they still need help doing that. So I'm gonna link below a credible source, a credible place you can donate money to help the Amazon rainforest. And in this video, I want to talk about 15 facts about the Amazon rainforest. Basically, if you didn't know, it says the Amazon is arguably the longest river in the world at 6,992 kilometers and contains more water than the Mississippi, the Nile, and the Yatiz combined. Okay. The name Amazon was given by Spanish explorer Francisco Orellana after he was attacked by female warriors named the Cambias, or women without husbands. He compared them to the Amazons of Greek mythology. The Amazon delivers 55 million gallons of water into the Atlantic Ocean every second. Let that sink into your mind. Every second. So all of the fish them we eat up and all of the good things that come out the Atlantic Ocean, the Amazon plays a very, very, very big part in that. More than 20% of the world's oxygen is produced by the Amazon rainforest. And that right there, you need to be concerned about. It is 20% of the world's oxygen where you breathe, oxygen that you need to live, is produced by the Amazon rainforest. You need no more reason to donate. If you have a kid, that's a reason to donate right there, because you don't know how your kid is probably gonna breathe great fresh oxygen air in a few years if this continues. If the Amazon were a country, it would be the 9th largest in the world, measuring at a whopping 2.5 million square miles. 25% of all Western pharmaceuticals come from rainforest-based ingredient, yet less than 1% of the trees and plants in the Amazon have ever been tested by scientists. So they have only been able to test 1% of everything that's in the forest, and 1% of everything that they have tested they have used in pharmaceutical drugs, the cancer treatment, the HIV treatment, the STD treatment, the STI treatment, the yeast infection treatment, the BV treatment. Okay, I have a video coming up on that, on how you should treat BV, and if you get it, what are the tips and tricks to keep the cookie intact. But we're not talking about that. Let's get back to it. It says the Amazon rainforest contains more than 3,000 fruits. Only 200 of these are consumed in the Western world. Me know the woman them without husband, we're living in the rainforest up till this day, eat a lot of these plants and fruits that are in the forest. There's actually a documentary on Netflix about them. I don't even remember what it's called, but if I do remember the documentary, I will leave it right here. More than 80% of the world's food has its origins in the Amazon rainforest. So let that sink in for you. 1 hectare, 2.4 acres of the rainforest contains more than 750 types of trees and 1,500 types of plants. Wow. The Amazon rainforest can be found in 9 South American countries: Brazil, Colombia, Peru, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, and the 3 Guyanas. The rainforest floor is very dark, with less than 1% of the light making through the canopy of the trees. Wow. Deforestation, it is estimated we are making more than 137 species extinct every day. Wow. This is not good. While deforestation has slowed in recent years, the Amazon rainforest is still disappearing at a rate at 1.5 acres every second, meaning the Amazon will be completely destroyed within 40 years if deforestation continues at the current rate. And now the rate has been increased exponentially with these fires. So if these fires continue, it's not going to take 40 years for the deforestation completely destroy the Amazon. Around 30% of our carbon emission come from burning the Amazon rainforest. In 2006, geologists studied the speed at which the Amazon carries sediments out to the sea and found to their surprise that the oldest sediments they found were upstream to their source. They soon realized that until the Cretaceous period, the Amazon actually flowed backward, east to west. And it wasn't until the Andes Mountains began their rise 100 million years ago that the river reversed course and chose its current direction. So it naturally changed course, and it had to be something in the environment why it changed course naturally. The environment needed it to change course. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Donate for our futures, our kids' futures, and our great-great-grandkids' futures. Then it depends, Panny, or else we're not gonna have no good oxygen to drink. Anyways, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.